Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I wanted to jump on today to unbox this gorgeous new subscription box that just came in the mail from Boxwalla. Now, Boxwalla has three different types of subscription boxes. They have a film subscription box, they have a beauty subscription box, like skincare sort of subscription box as well, which I do have my eye on, but this is their bi-monthly book subscription box. And a lot of people reached out to me and they told me how much they enjoyed my last book subscription box unboxing. So I thought that I would just jump on here and unbox this one with you as well. This one, however, is just books. There are no little like doodads with it. There are no bookish things. What Boxwalla does is they choose two books that go with a certain theme or a certain country, a certain region, and they put the books in this box. But first, let's just look at the box. The box looks like, the box came in an outward package, which was very nice because it kept this box all pristine. This is a cream colored, like, I don't know, it feels like it's like cottony, like almost like cottony canvasy sort of material. It's beautiful and extremely well made, and I'm going to keep it and store things in it. So let's see our two books. All right, so this box in particular features writers from Italy and South America. So let's first go with the one from Italy because it was the one out of the box. So this is The Lying Life of Adults by Elena Ferrante, not the author's real name. The author is cloaked in mystery. No one actually knows, like, I'm sure the publisher actually knows who this person is, but nobody knows this author's actual name because according to this author, books, once they are written, have no need for their authors. However, this author, pen name of this author, also wrote the Brilliant Friend Quartets, which are, of course, written in Italian, as this one is as well, and they are translated over into English. I know my mother loves the Brilliant Friend Quartet, and I have the first one that she loaned me on my bookshelf, and I still need to read it. I am sure she will love this one as well, though. So the author that uses this pen name, they are a Neapolitan author, so all of their books are set in Naples. So to give you the little rundown that Boxwalla gave on The Lying Life of Adults, this gripping novel set in Naples follows adolescent Giovanna as she navigates the depths and heights of Naples and the lies and feuds in her fractured family. Her journey starts when she hears her father's words about her resemblance to her estranged Aunt Vittoria. So that sounds interesting, and it's definitely going to be in my November book list. Also a book that will be in my November book list is this one from South African author Zaxnda. So I love the artwork on this. How beautiful is that? It looks like it was done, it almost looks like it was done originally in pastel. Side, the back, and that is our author. This also has that nice like waxy texture to it. I love it when books come with that texture feeling. I've never heard of this author, and that is something from what I gather from other people's posts that Boxwalla sort of prides themselves on. They introduce you to new authors. So let's read about our author. So this author was born in 1948 in Herschel, South Africa. His father was a political activist and lawyer and friend of Nelson Mandela. The Madonna of Excelsior encompasses both the apartheid era as well as the post-apartheid period, following the life of Nikki, the fallen Madonna, her mixed-race daughter, and her black son. While re-examining South Africa's troubled history, the novel also beautifully examines the true source of happiness. I am really looking forward to reading this book as well as this one. Great job, Boxwalla, for sending such interesting sounding books. I do have to say I will be reading this one first because I've already promised my mom that she can read this one before me. Okay, so also in this book box is a book pen. If you've been around this channel for a while, you will know how much I love pens, so this will go on my pen board. So this is from the Ideal Bookshelf, created by Jane Mount. This pen is inspired by Toni Morrison's Beloved. According to Jane Mount, who designed this pen, she said that with book pens, she is trying to capture the essence of a book in less than an inch square. How cute. Let me get a little up close Let me see if I can focus to get up close so you can see the pin. That's a beautiful pin, and I will flip it to the back so you can see her socials if you are interested. Oh my gosh, it's a tiny kitty. So I would venture to say that my first Boxwalla book box was definitely a success. I am definitely looking forward to reading both of these books, and that pin is just so adorable. I will leave in the description box down below a link so you can check out Boxwalla for yourself, the book box as well as the film and the beauty box. I'll also be linking in the description box down below other subscription box unboxings that I think you might be interested in. Feel free to binge watch those. If you did like this unboxing, please give it a big thumbs up. That small, simple act really helps YouTube to figure out that other people will probably like seeing this if you did. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button and subscribing so you can watch future unboxings and future videos. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.